Oh my god.
Wild, eh?
What? So, anything that I need to know here?
So this track has a notorious habit for making a car seem like it's understeering, and the reason being is the exit of these corners look like they have a lot more space than they really do. You see the exit, it looks like there's lots of space, and then you get there and you realize that it's closed the door on you.
Yes, so it tightens up.
Tightens up very much. So just...
Don't let us go home.
You can't go home.
I said, brother. Lekker man, I see you again.
I've got black flags here.
Copy that, copy that.
Okay, Wayne's coming off for the bucky, you can go out so long.
Okay, got it. Okay. Am I in the right mode here?
So at the moment everything is in comfort, but if you want to hit M1, that will...
Phew. There we go.
See, it'll give it that Sports Plus. So now everything you'll see is in the Sports Plus, Sports mode.
Okay, so you're gonna go there.
So now we have a long sweeping right hand into a sort of a back straight.
Okay.
Where you sort of get an opportunity to open up.
So do I want to grab that cone over there?
Yes, you want to grab the inside cone, and here you get an opportunity to open up. You'll see there's 3 orange lying down cones. That means it's a hard braking zone.
Oh wow. And where do I brake?
See where the 3 orange cones on either side? That's where you start to brake. How it is, yeah, nice and tight. So be patient.
Stay tight, stay
move
tight.
to the middle and move back to that side.
Okay.
And you'll notice this corner you can sort of give it a bit of speed, keep it flowy, keep it straight. This next corner here, you see how it looks like you have so much space?
Mm-hmm.
If you carry a lot of speed, you can run out of space here very quickly.
Got it. And do we want to be on this side here when we brake?
We want to be on this side over here. So you see we have outside cones and the inside apex.
Now it works really well.
This one here, as you cut, you see the big mountain there, the peak?
Yes, aim for the peak.
Aim for the peak. As you pass the cone, brake, hug the corner. Hug it, hug it, hug it, hug it, hug it, hug it. Aim for the mountain again. Brake. Now this one, keep it tight. Hug it, hug it, hug it.
So we don't go out there again.
No, hug it even more.
Oh wow.
You see how this...
Yes. Yes, I see. And we start again here.
There we go. Same principle.
Oh, I see.
So this track actually rewards you for being
patient. Yeah. And the lineup for this corner is, again, you got to cut there. Okay.
You got to cut smooth, patient, wait. As you get here, bring it in.
Okay, because the cones, when you look at the corner, the cones look like they're in the wrong spot. And then when you get there, then you're like, oh, okay, that makes perfect sense.
And it clicks in. So yeah, you can open up a little, give you a little bit of a feel. That's just 197.
And easy.
Yeah, easy.
Easy.
With a very chilled exit out of the previous corner. So this set of corners really gives you an indication of how the balance of a car is, because there's a lot of dramatic lurch.
Yes, side to side. Straight for the peaks.
There you go.
Keep it tight here. There's a cone somewhere here. There we go.
There we go.
Same here. Keep it tight.
So hug it tight, hug it tight. You'll see there's a little kink in the road. That's where we start to turn in. There you go. See how nice that is?
Sure. This one opens up a little. No, it doesn't. It's fine.
No, none of those. gives you that perception every time.
It's very it's very unnerving because you think to yourself, don't trust it, bro. Oh, here we go. Yeah, this one I need to practice.
Yeah, you think, oh, there's space, and then there's not.
Then there's not. So it's a test track in the truest form.
That's it. It's mental how quick this car is. There we go.
Where's the warning corner? This one?
This one.
Yeah. Okay, got it.
Because you see, you start to pick up a lot of momentum there.
Because you thought it's threading, isn't it?
That's it.
A bit of a later turn in here then.
That's perfect.
Tight corner, we wait till that kink section. Wait till the kink, turn in. Some more waiting. Yes, it's just wait.
It's all about patience this track.
That one. That's the only one I feel where I'm not gonna try and carry speed, right? But if there's any place to get more speed, it's that one, yeah. Everywhere else is tight. Well, that one opens up a bit more than the other, let's put it that way. I'm not braking as hard as I did earlier because I felt there's a lot more. Just feel it. Yes, that turn in on this thing. Which tires has this car got?
The front end, so it's the Michelin PS4s.
Oh wow, so these are still the standard tires as well?
They're not even the step up, which is, look, the Michelins make amazing tires for these type of performance cars.
Let's see if I can carry some more speed through here. Ah, there we go. Okay, I see. Gotta look ahead there quite a bit.
The further up ahead you look, the easier it is for you to plan, the easier life around a track is.
100%. Oh, that was wrong.
No, that wasn't bad. That was a bit early turning, you see how...
Yeah, no, I messed it all up there.
Cut there, straight now, go.
That's it, that's right, yeah. That's it. Oh, you can open up there as well, of course. Oh my god.
Wild, eh?
Wild.
But what I love is how refined the car is. At 210 it feels comfortable.
There we go. Yeah, I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying. There's a suction effect that happens there.
Yeah, to the seat.
These front tires just grip and bite. Gotta sacrifice there a lot more, eh?
Yeah, it's all about that patience.
And this is the one, eh?
There you go. Right, so you want to cool down the brakes for a second, then you can stop, drop me off, and if you want to go on your own.
Cool.
I'm sure you would want.
Okay, here we go. We've been let loose alone on the circuit. Whew. This is the one we can go through a bit quicker. Hard on the brakes here. Flippin' hell, man. Guys, M cars are just special from the get-go, aren't they? Whew. 212 k's an hour. Oh, I can feel the diff at the back working in this car. Wow. bit slower through here. I can feel the car leaning on those tires. Guys, I don't care who you are. I don't care what car you like. This car is very, very, very special. I'm too slow through there. That was too late. That was too late. Oh, take it all the way to the red line. Let's do that. Come on. Hard on the brakes. And the brakes still feel fine. Oh, that's a bit better. Through there. I had to touch the brakes there just to be safe. Oh man, again. Let's brake a bit earlier, yeah? Tuck it in all the way in. That's it, that's it. That's it, that's it. I ran a bit wide there. Ooh. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh. Sure, I'm breathing heavily here because it's just, that was just incredible. That was just incredible. That was just incredible. Oh my goodness. And this, oh my goodness, don't even get me started on this track. Oh, all these corners side to side, one after the next. Yo. Yo. Okay.